Hi, this is April Fayetta. This video will show you how to use QuickTime Player to screencast in order for you to video your screen. I'm using my Mac desktop and it has QuickTime Player on it. For those of you who have a ThinkPad or Lenovo, I'll have to do a separate screencast, or if you have a different device. So go to the top right and click on the magnifying glass and search QuickTime. Once you search QuickTime Player, go ahead and click on the app. It looks like this, the blue with the gray. And this will pop up to your top left. The choice is QuickTime Player and File. Click on File and you will select New Screen Recording. Now I'm screen recording right now, so that option doesn't come up for me, but I took a screenshot and this is how it's going to look. So you are going to click on New Screen Recording. Once you click on that, you'll have options for mic or the microphone. I usually choose built-in microphone. If you don't want to hear your voice and just record your screen without your voice, you can select none. Okay, once you do that, you will record and you will see this button right here to the top right next to my Wi-Fi signal. Now once I press that, that means I have stopped screen recording. So if I press that, then you won't be able to see my screen recording, but I did take screenshots of what it looks like. So let's say that I finished presenting my lesson on 3D printing and I posted as what I would be recording for the students to watch, and I could talk through it and they could hear my voice and my directions of what I want them to do. So then I will press stop right here, the square button to the right. And once you press that, your screen is going to look like this. It's going to stop recording and this screen is going to pop up. This is your video. And what you want to do is go to File and Save It. Or if you click on that red button right there, which exits it out like this, what you will get is another pop-up and you can save your video. So I like to save my videos on the desktop. That way I can see them right away. If you look to my right, you'll see all the videos that I have, and the file that they save as will be MP4 video files. And then go ahead and click on Save, and you will have your QuickTime video ready to play. I'll just click on this one. There you go. And then you could just play it right here. And there you have it. That's how you screencast using a Mac and QuickTime Player. In my next video that you can watch after this is how to take this video right here, your QuickTime video, and post it on YouTube. That way others can see it and you can post that link into your Google Classroom. Okay, I hope that helps.